What's going on, everybody? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to add music to your WhatsApp status. This can be music posted on a photo as well as on a video. I'm going to show you how to do it in this video, all the possible ways on how you can do that. And if you find my content useful, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to the channel as it really helps me out. My name is Shaq, and in this channel my aim is to help a lot of people facing tech related issues as well as sharing cool tech hacks online. Now let's jump straight into today's tutorial. The very first thing here we're going to do is we need to know whether we have a photo or a video. Okay, so let me open camera, for example. I can quickly take a selfie in here, and this is my photo right here. I can also make a video, for example. I can take a video real quick speaking here, and I can also change the entire audio of that video in order for it to be a specific custom audio. There we go. Now we have two methods in here on how we can actually do this. The very first method is the following, where we're going to hop into WhatsApp real quick. Next up, we'll simply tap in here on status, right? And then the next thing we're going to do is simply tap in here on add status. So once you tap on add status, you simply want to select that specific custom picture you want to upload to your WhatsApp contacts, right? Here we go. The next thing we're going to do is simply tap in here on this little icon where we do have an icon of a song. So you just need to tap in there. By the way, this needs to be the latest version of your WhatsApp status. And according to your country code or your number, registration, or where you are located, it's going to suggest you a lot of songs which are actually related to your region. Okay, so in case you don't find a good song in here, you can navigate according to the Football Center. As we're going through the World Cup at the moment of recording this video, we can go with genre here. You can select according to your genre, and then you can select mood as well as many other sections in here. We do have happy and a lot more stuff in here, so you can actually go with popular as well, which is the very first category in here. You can also search manually for a song. For example, I can go with Drake. There we go. And then I'll be getting here a playlist of most common played songs here on status, right? So you just want to select one of the audio or songs and then tap on search, or simply tap in here on this little arrow, and then you can select the portion of the song that you wish to be played on that specific video, and then tap on done, and there we go. It's now going to play. Now you can simply tap in here to edit further. You can simply select, for example, the picture of the album or the album art. You can select in here this style as well as this one while it's playing, or you can simply choose this radio version in here, right? Now it doesn't allow us to add lyrics as Instagram does. Now, same thing happens with videos as well. You just select the video, and then here at the top left corner, you do have the option, select a specific song, tap on next, and then you can now manage other stuff in here. Now, this will essentially replace the initial song if you tap in here on mute, okay, which is the initial audio that was recorded to the video, which is the best way of doing so, right? So you do not have two songs or two audios merging with each other here while you are uploading that specific video or photo to your WhatsApp status. Now, alternatively, you also have a different way of doing this. If you do have a much older WhatsApp version that doesn't allow you to actually add songs, or you may be simply in a region which doesn't allow you to actually add songs into your photo or video. This is because we do have copyright issues here in a few regions or in a few songs that we try to add into our WhatsApp status. So if you are facing that situation, you can actually do it manually. Okay, so you would need to hop into App Store. You would need to search for this app which is known as CapCut. Okay, so simply search for CapCut and download it real quick. Now, if you're unable to find CapCut, you can also search for InstaShot or InShot, because CapCut is actually restricted in a few regions. So this is the other one, InShot, and then you just download it and open it real quick. Now, the next thing we're gonna do in here, let me quickly tap on X. Okay, as we're using the free version, we do have a lot of ads running in here. So we're gonna select whether we have a video or a photo, right? In my case, I'll be going with a video real quick, and then I'm gonna tap here on new. Okay, and next up I'll simply tap in here on allow full access to your full library here, and then I'll be able to tap in here on photos. As I do have a limited access, I can simply tap on full access, or I can tap on edit selected photos, so I can manually select what I wish to display over there. So I'm going to select this two, tap on tick, and then I'll be going back in here. And now I do have my new selection of videos and photos. So I'm going to select this video here, which is the one I selected. There we go, 100% loaded. This is the video. If I play it once, here we go. I just recorded it right now and I want to add an audio. So I'm going to simply tap in here on audio, and then I just need to tap on music, right? So once I tap on music, we do have a list of songs in here or a playlist that the app suggests already, okay? But I can add my custom songs in here as well if I feel like I don't like any of this. So I can simply tap in here, for example, on imported, okay? Or I can simply tap on extract audio. If I tap on extract audio, what it does is I need to select a specific video which plays a specific song or audio, okay? I can screen record somewhere, whatever I wish to do it. And then I just need to select a custom video, for example, this one, okay? It has a song in here which is playing, okay? So I can simply tap on yes, and then it's gonna extract the audio of that video. That video will not be part of my creation or production here, okay? And then I'm gonna tap on play, and there we go. It's playing till the video gets to an end. And here then I can simply trim this, okay, by simply tapping on edit, which is the part I really like about ironshot because it allows you to edit further your video. Okay? So I'm gonna trim this by pressing and holding here and then simply dragging it this way. And then we do have this video right here. There we go. And we're good to go. I'm gonna simply bring it back here. And then one more time, I'm gonna close it a bit further. There we go. Tap on okay, done. Tap on share real quick and then save it, the resolution over there. We do have 100%. There we go. I now do have my video here created here with that specific song. There we go. Perfect. So now all I'm going to do is simply hop into my WhatsApp, tap on status, and then tap on add status. And then I'm going to select that specific video and boom, here we go. I do have a video with a custom audio. I've done it for 2 seconds, but you can do for much longer. If you wish to do it for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 or 30 minutes, that's up to you. This is exactly how you upload songs into your WhatsApp status easily. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq, where my main aim in here is to help all of you guys fixing tech-related issues without spending money, without paying for a technician to a local engineer or anything like that, because in most cases you can actually fix all these issues or most commonly faced issues by your own at your home. Okay, so my aim is to help you guys with tech-related content. Thank you for supporting. We've just hit 50,000 subscribers, and all this wouldn't be possible without your support in here. By subscribing, by liking, you actually keep me going, and this really helps me out so I can reach out to more people and consequently help more people facing the same problem as yours. My aim in here is to grow the channel as much as I can so I can reach out to more people and, of course, as I've just said, help out more people here with tech-related issues. But of course, it's not easy to do it alone. This is a community. I want you guys to stay here with me, interacting in the comment section, within the community tab as well, by visiting the community in here so we can actually interact every single day. And if you have any doubt or any question by any means, feel free to leave it down in the comment section so I can actually reply to you as soon as possible. I really appreciate your help, and I hope we can actually reach 200k subscribers real soon. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.